Nag-record ba? Ito nga. Okay. Nag-record na ako. Hello. So, for today's video, lalaro lang ta. Sa first round. But anyways, nagbibidyo ako. And, the topic is I can't jump for the whole round. Tas pag nag-jump ako, i-end ko na yung video. Kahit sa lobby bawal. So, this is gonna be hard because when you're like murderer, tas may sheriff na magaling, patay ka na agad. OMG, sorry guys. My gosh. Ay, sheriff, yes. Pero no din kasi bawal ako mag-jump. Oh my god. First round to, guys. First round. I crinkle my nose, 'cause wherever you go, I always know. You make me smile, please take for a while.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
Speaker cellphone.
Bluetooth connected.
Asan yung murder? Asan na yung murd? Ay, siya yung murd, diba?
Asan tayo?
Hala! Yung aim ko I'm so aimless. Ay!
Tatanggalin ko sa chat. Hindi naman kasi tanggalin dito.
Asan na yung murd? Where is the freaking murds? Hala! Saan ba ako nag-aim?
I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh, I need to jump. Oh my gosh. Super hirap ng round. Bawal kasi ako mag-jump eh. Kung pwede ako mag-jump. Ito.
Bluetooth connected.
Oh my gosh, ito yung ingay niyo.
Wala na, may ganda.
Sorry for the loud noises in the background.
Kahit hindi magtatagal.
Ano ba naman yan? Ang lakas. Hindi ka ba makapanood ng walang speaker? Bro, nag-wall camp lang pang babaeng harap na to. At least do something, be. Ito spam jump, tas small avatar pa. Ang galing.
Alam mo naman, may magbabago. Wow! Hindi naman ako nagsasabi ba naman?
Let's just cut it. Okay, we are back to the video. Ay! Hala, nag-jump ako. Hala, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Stay safe. Stay snatched.